Hi, a blessed day everyone. How's everything? Ayan, so welcome back to my channel and thank you so much again for being here. Thank you always guys for your support. Ayan, so for today's vlog, I will be doing an unboxing for this humidifier that I purchased from Noon. Yes. So Noon, it's one of the popular online shopping site where we can purchase almost everything. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do this. Please do keep watching and let's do this together. Thank you. Alright guys, so let's do this. So I had purchased this 7 color changing LED humidifier with black wood grain S39. Yeah, so it's an aromatherapy humidifier. Well, we actually have an air purifier here from Mommy, but they said that this one has a different effect. So we're gonna go ahead and look into that. Alright. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and use this small scissor here to open it up. Okay. And we'll see about that. This is for kilay guys. Okay, so let's open it. Aroma therapy humidifier. Yan. So 7 color changing. So this one daw is it's changing. So 7 colors. We're gonna go ahead and see that later, okay? And okay, so outside the box, the instructions and the benefits are already mentioned. So it says here that this device will help you to experience all the benefits of essential oil. Di ba nga kasi yung essential oils, yun, maganda daw talaga yung effect. Ayan, so it will relieve any type of allergies. Actually, this humidifier, guys, I just heard it recently when this COVID-19 chanabels arises. That's when people start buying humidifiers and something like this inside the home. This is, yes, so to relieve allergies. Any allergies ba to? No, I think allergies that has something to do with colds, ganon, diba? Allergic rhinitis, ganon ba? Ayan, so it says here, it will relieve allergy, but it didn't mention what type of allergy is it. It will relieve pain. It will improve respiratory health. So this is what I'm talking about. So it has something to do with colds, diba? Yung mga cough and colds. It will strengthen the immune system. Tension in stress relief. We'll see if nakakatanggal nga talaga to ng stress ng ating buhay. Ayan, so it gives us mind and body relaxation. We'll see about that. Skin hydration, kasi nga nag-moisture ang paligid. So nahahydrate ang ating mga skin. Alright, and it will improve daw our sleep and air refreshing. Ayan, so it comes with this 2 shades. So para siyang wood type. Ayan, so the other one is dark. So I have this. This is what I ordered, the black color, and the other one is brown. It could, because see this one, actually my husband just purchased this. So if I took this color, so it's matchy-matchy. Sana. And then what else can we see here? Aromatherapy, essential oil diffuser. And here it will give you the basic instruction on how you're going to use it. Okay? So, open na po natin. Ayan, without further ado, charots. Ayan. So, inside the box, guys, we have pangsalok ng kaning. Charot lang. Ito yung pang-measure na syempre for the liquid that you're going to put inside. Ayan. And then we have this saksakan. Ayan, the one that you're going to plug into the wall and connect it to it so that it will give syempre power. Ayan. And then it comes with a small remote. Oh, sorry. Yan, may small remote siya. So you can control it even if you are, you're already not sleeping. You're already in bed. Yan, you can control it. Okay, and it has the instruction for sure. Instruction manual. I remember when we opened the ring light, if you have watched that video, it didn't come with this one, the instruction manual. So very good. Kudos. Shoutouts. Ayan. Kudos. And then, okay, here you go. So this is it, guys. So this can contain 400 ml of liquid. That's one thing that I like about it, because other other humidifiers only like 130 ml, 200 ml, but this one I like it because it contains more liquid. Ayan. And I'll tell you guys the reason why I chose this one, because from the website it mentioned it has a 2-year warranty. Ayan. Yan nga, sa 400 ml of water and lasts up to 10 hours. I read something here I didn't mention. So it's ultrasonic technology. 400 ml capacity, 8 hours working time. So since it has more, it can contain more liquid, so it can last longer, diba? And it has an auto shut off. Once it's already empty, meaning the liquid is not sufficient anymore, so it will automatically turns off by itself. Ayan, naghirap mag-English, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue and open this one and try natin. So, we're gonna go ahead and try this. Yeah, so here's how it looks inside. Okay. And before we'll continue, we're gonna go ahead and open also this essential oil that I purchased. I forgot that I purchased also essential oil with it. But yeah, I did. Okay. Ayan, it's thoroughly sealed. So guys, this is 19 dirhams and 95 fils. There's already 5 types of essential oil here. So we have ocean, okay, the ocean type, lavender, jasmine, lemon, and rosa. All right, so what are we gonna use first? I think we'll go with jasmine. Yes, we'll try the jasmine first. Okay, so let's take one. And then we'll try. Ooh, I can already smell it. Bango, guys. Okay, we'll see. Okay, let's go to the instruction. Using steps. So, open the cover in the direction shown in the arrow. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open the cover. Add water to the atomizing chamber. But how much water will I add? close the cover in the direction connect the power. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try to add, we have this, the measuring cup, which is up to 120 ml. So we're gonna go ahead and get water. Nandali lang ulit. Time out, guys. Back to you, Charet. Welcome back. Ayan, charot. So, I put here water already. So, I put, it says it can contain 400 ml, but I put 300 ml only because we will be putting also our essential oil on it. So, let's go ahead and continue. Let's go back to the instructions. So, after we put on the liquid, okay. Alright, it says here, if the amount of added water is over or under the highest scale, there will be less or more mist sprayed out. Okay, so do not dump the hose in use and keep it away from places children can access. Note, if there is too much water on the first time of adding it, there will be less steam. After water reduction, there will be more steam. Okay. Now, where is it? Here. So we have two buttons here. So this is for the light and the mist. Okay, so in this instruction manual, it tells us, see, when you press this mist for the first time, the aromatherapy lamp lights and the mist and the mist spray out. Ang gulo. So if we're going to press down this one first time, so it will light up, iilaw siya, and then it will start to spray out the mist. Ayan. So mist, yun yung ano, diba? Yun yung mist. yung binubuga niya para usok-usok, ganyan. That's the mist. So that is when you press it once. Okay? Now if we're going to press it twice, so the aromatherapy machine will work in 10 seconds. So 10 seconds daw siyang gagana. Alright? And then if you press it 3 times, the aromatherapy machine will work 2 hours timer mode. So 2 hours. And then 4 times mo siyang press, it will work 4 hours timing signals. And on the 5th time, the aromatherapy machine stop working. That's on the 5th time that you will press this. Okay. Now, when the aromatherapy machine starts working, the light will change into an automatic colorful cycle mode. Okay, we'll see about that. So there we already have the water, and then let's open this one. This is 10 ml usages. Ito daw gamit nito, guys, ha. Tignan natin kung pareho sila ng sinasabi doon kanina. Okay, so it's usages, massages and hair care mixed with the carrier oil such as argan oil. Okay. Okay. Do not use undiluted on the skin. Ayan, so ayan, open na lang natin, guys. Dami sinasabi. Bango! Ang bango! So aromatic. Charet! Made in China. Ayan. So, it didn't mention here how many drops are we going to put in. So, ano na lang to, guys. What are we going to do? I'll try to search from the internet. I'll try to search from the internet kung ilan ba. How many ba yan? Baka kasi magkamali tayo, guys. So, how many essential oil will be added? Ayan, how much essential oil to add in air diffuser? Ideally, most people recommend between 3 or 5 drops of essential oil for every 100 ml. Ayan. Ayan daw ang recommendation. It's 3 to 5 drops per 100 ml. So since we have 300 ml here, we're gonna go ahead, sabi niya kasi 3 to 5. So we'll do the between. We're gonna go ahead and drop 4. So 4 times 3 will do 12 drops. Okay? Ayan. Ay! How to do this, guys? Hala! Ayan, okay. Because it's sealed. Oh, you have to put this back. Oh gosh, ang bango. Shall we put it back and just get this? No. Okay, like this. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, yan na ha. With extra. Okay. And then, we'll have to go back to the instruction again. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and close this. No, it's not something that you need to rotate, so just put it on top, okay? And then, we'll get this saksak. Oh. Alright guys, so we have our saksakan here at the back. Ay! Ayan. And then, where are we going to put this? Okay, so there is a hole here down. God, we have to be careful because there's already water inside. So there is a hole here. Like that. Oh my gosh, I don't think this is a good place. It should be somewhere at the back. Reklamo. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we'll put it here. Ah, okay. There you go. Now let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so it says, okay. So review, press 1. If you press it once, so it will, the lights will come on. It's still not obvious, not too much light. And I'm not sure if you can see the mist coming up from it. There. Oh, bango! So fragrant. Yeah. Okay, and then if we're going to press it on second time, it will work for 10 seconds. Alright? So if there's light here, okay, you will not notice the light, guys, because it's very maliwanag pa. But if it's hirap mag-English. If it's already dark, then you can notice the color. See, it's color blue now. I'm not sure if you can notice it from the camera. Yeah, it's changing each time. So now it's green. So that's how it works, guys. So this is how it works. Okay, so we already have air humidifier inside our home. Yeah, congratulations. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video and for being here. Sinamahan nyo ako to unbox this, and it's so far it's okay. What I can say, yeah, well, like I complained about this one, but no, I thought this cable might not fit. Like if you're going to put it down, it will I don't know how to say it, but it will but no, it's not, because it has like an stand here also, so it accommodates the cable. So yeah, that's how it works. Thank you so much guys for watching. Okay, at sinamahan nyo ako for the unboxing of this humidifier. Well, I don't have anything else to say, but thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do click on the subscribe button. And if you somehow like this video, I'm not sure, you can hit on the like button also. And for those who are looking for a nice humidifier, this is something that I can say that it's good. It's worth it. It's 70, how much I mentioned? Around 76 dirhams. And then for the essential oil, it's 19.95. And since I got a discount and it's free delivery, I only paid how much? Around 88 dirhams for this. Ayan. So far guys, I'm satisfied on this one, as it's so fragrant. Ang bango. So I recommend this. I cannot see anything bad. It's simple. It doesn't have much on it that you need to be aware of. Yeah, it's very, very simple. Ganun lang siya. Well, again, thank you so much again for watching. God bless you and your family. Thank you.